Hey, fashionistas! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly special, the Gucci Blondie bag. It's a true icon of luxury and sophistication. If you're ready to dive into the world of elegance, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's begin by unwrapping this beauty. Here it is, the Gucci Blondie bag, a statement piece that speaks volumes. The bag features Gucci's signature GG canvas, adorned with the iconic double G logo. The golden hardware adds a touch of glamour, making it a timeless accessory. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. The Gucci Blondie falls in the range of $2,500 to $3,500. Yes, it's an investment, but remember, you're not just buying a bag, you're investing in a piece of fashion history. Gucci's quality and craftsmanship make it worth every penny. Styling this bag is a dream. Whether you're going for a casual day out or a glamorous evening event, the Gucci Blondie fits seamlessly into any wardrobe. Let's explore some outfit ideas. Casual chic. Pair the Blondie with denim jeans, a white tee, and ankle boots for a relaxed yet stylish look. Office elegance. Take it to work with tailored trousers, a crisp blouse, and kitten heels for a sophisticated vibe. Glam night out. Elevate your evening look by matching the Blondie with a little black dress and strappy heels. Glamorous and chic. One of the Blondie's best features is its versatility. It's not just a showpiece, it's practical too. With multiple compartments and a spacious interior, it accommodates your essentials effortlessly. From workdays to weekends, the Blondie is your go-to companion. To ensure your Blondie stays flawless, let's talk care. Use a soft cloth to wipe away dust, avoid exposure to direct sunlight, and store it in the provided dust bag. Simple steps to keep your investment looking brand new. We've received some fantastic questions from you all about the Blondie. From sizing to color options, let's dive into your queries and provide the answers you've been waiting for in the comment box. As we wrap up this ultimate style guide on the Gucci Blondie, I hope you've found inspiration and valuable insights. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or considering this bag, remember to embrace your style with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.